guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you will stick around, and if you like this video, maybe subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out other videos that I do have on this channel based on the content that I am bringing you guys today. So you guys, as you see from the title, today I will be making a peanut butter smoothie based upon my next gen blending BlendJet recipe book. You guys, I do have other recipes that I actually got from this book that I made here on the channel, which I will put up in the cards. I made some shakes, I made some smoothies that are in this book as well. I didn't make all of them, but I did give you guys just a couple of them just to, you know, get an idea of what's all in this book. It's so many recipes in this book. I haven't done this one yet, and you guys, I love caramel macchiato. I haven't did this with you guys yet, but I will soon. But there's so many recipes here in this book, and I will also put down in the description where you can get a discount on this book as well as a discount on your BlendJet. But I'll put that down in the description, so be sure to check that out. So you guys, without further ado, we're about to get into this recipe. Okay. So, of course, the first thing we're going to need is our BlendJet tube. This is my handy dandy yellow one, and I'm going to be using this. Next, also, let me go back to the recipe book. Next, we're going to need milk of choice. So, you guys, I will be using almond milk. That is always my milk of choice. I don't actually drink like whole milk, reduced fat milk, 1% milk. I don't really drink that at all. I would rather have almond milk, and this is the milk that I have of my choice from my local market. I don't know if they sell this at like the, you know, leading food chain grocery stores. I'm not sure, but I will be using this. That is 1 cup of almond milk. Also, I will be using my PBFit peanut butter that I really like to use. As you see, it is almost gone, almost to the bottom, but I like to use this as well. It is gluten-free and it's vegan. This is powder. I will put this down in the description as well if you'd like to order this. I will also be using, but my peanut butter, I'm going to use 1/4 cup of that. I will also be using some oats, which is 1/4 cup. I actually picked this up from Walmart probably a couple months ago. This big thing is marked down to $177. But this is whole grain rolled oats. I will be using this, and I'll be using 1/4 cup of this as well. And the recipe also called for vanilla extract, which I'll be using McCormick. This is what I had on hand, so this is what I would be using, 1/4 teaspoon of that. It also says for me to use maple syrup or sweetener of choice, which I would not be using anyway. But this is the recipe if you guys want to, you know, give it a try. This is the recipe for it, and it says for me to blend for 2 to 4 cycles. And when I blend it, each cycle is 20 seconds. I would do that 2 to 4 times. That's what they mean. But anyway, this serves 1. So, oh, also I forgot 1 banana. This is 2 bananas just cut in a bag, you know, frozen, but I will be using 2 of these halves. But yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm going to start off by putting my almond milk, my liquid, into my BlendJet. There have been a lot of questions that I have been getting about, you know, as far as the fruit being stuck in the blender when you blend, you know, or been too full. What I suggest, and I probably have done it here on this channel, which I think I have. What I would suggest is to put the liquid in first, and I think BlendJet gives that instructions whenever you get your BlendJet tube. So please read your instructions whenever you open your BlendJet tube. But anytime you want to blend anything, any kind of frozen fruit, especially frozen fruit, you want to put your liquid in first. That way you know that it can get blended well. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my almond milk. And like I said, it's 1 cup of almond milk. I'm going to go ahead and put in my peanut butter and my oats. Peanut butter is 1/4 cup. I have my little measuring tool here. But the peanut butter, you know, already has a scoop in it. So I'm just going to scoop until I get to 1/4 cup. Wow, it's actually 1 scoop, to be honest. Okay, so I'm going to put that inside. All right, and I'm going to add my oats, which is another 1/4 cup. Okay, 1/4 cup, and my oats. All right, and now, make it a mess. I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Looks yummy already. Vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon. I don't have 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm just going to put just a little bit like that. I'm sure that's 1/4. But if you have measuring cups, I don't have all my measuring cups, but if you have 1/4 teaspoon, please do use it. Or if you think you can eyeball it like I just did, do so as well. Okay, and now last I'm going to put in my frozen banana. Put those 2 in there. Put my hands off. All right, and we're gonna close it and give it a blend. And like I said, it says to blend 2 to 4 cycles. Each cycle is 20 seconds. So we're going to press the button and give it a twirl. All right, that's 1 blend. I'm going to do it again. I like the little circle that goes around. All right, and I forgot my glass, so let me grab my glass. Okay, so I have my glass and I'm about to pour it in and give it a try. And you can also drink right from your BlendJet, but I'm going to pour mine in the glass. All right, and I like to drink mine with a straw. All right, so let's give this a try. Really, 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 really good. This is also a good replacement for breakfast if you want to, you know, just have something light, not as heavy, something quick, because of course the BlendJet is very convenient and quick to do. You can take it with you. But yeah, this is really good, like I said, for breakfast. I think it's really good for after a workout, a post-workout or pre-workout. I really do think this is really good for that. But yeah, this is good. I love peanut butter and banana anyway. So you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will go out and get these products and try this smoothie. It's not hard. Like I said, this book has so many simple recipes. You may have things already in your house that you can blend up real quick in your BlendJet too. And yeah. So you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and be sure to check out other videos here on this channel of me making BlendJet recipes. So I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.